This is a strategy we're going to be trading on this channel for now. So, trade conditions. We have a break of structure. For example, we have a downtrend. Down. Down. This creates a zone with this low and this high. You should know this if you're watching this, Jennifer. So, when we come back into the range, that is our trade condition number 2. Retrace back into the zone, at least 50%. This is our 50% here. The middle line is our 50%. And then we look for a bearish or bullish candle structure on the lower time frame. And here's an example of that. So we have this example here. Then let's move to an example of an entry. So we have this. That's a complicated one. Let's start with this. So we have this zone, which is basically, from here to here. Once we close below it right here, and we shoot back up, we're looking for shorts. So once we get to the 50% of this range, which is right here, right in this red zone, we short. And it comes to a 1-to-1. We don't even get stopped out. Do you see? Yes. So let's go to the second example here. We have this zone. We approach the higher time frame 50. And we're looking for shorts. Looking for shorts. So we have this zone, which is the bottom of this candle and the high of this candle. Or really the high of this candle. Sorry. So this is another way to enter off a candle where we shoot below the candle. It's very similar to the last entry. And then we go back into the zone here. This is the 50% right here. We go back into this. As you can see right here, we touch it. So our entry is here. And it goes down. You can see there's no drawdown with this trade specifically. One more example, and then I'll end with a closer. This is probably the best example. Save the best for last. This is what we call a single candle entry, which is exactly the same as this structure right here. And please ask me questions. So our candle, here's our entry. Number 1. Right here. We wait for a close below the last green candle. This is an uptrend right here. And here we're looking for the reversal because we're at a higher time frame zone looking for reversals. Wait for close below the last green candle, which is these two candles right here. This is 30-second time frame, so the two candles would be 1 minute. So that's a 1 minute candle. So we close below here. We close below. And then what we're looking for is a retrace into the zone. But we do not want to break this candle high. We don't want to break this. So that's why we have the entry, which is this here. Our entry is, our stop loss is below this high. We don't want to do that. We don't want price to go back over here. So that's why our stop loss is here, invalidation. So we enter short once price goes back down here. Once price goes back below this candle. And then that's a winning trade. That's our strategy. That's the strategy on this channel. Thanks for watching.